Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, reminding you to like this video if you like this video, leave me a comment if you got something to say, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Now let's go.
Hey, it's Alex, and I just wanted to take a quick minute to let you know about an update to GrooveFunnels that I'm really excited about. Now, I've been waiting on this update for a while, and I'm really excited to start using GrooveSell a little bit more. So this is an update to GrooveSell. I'm in GrooveSell right now, and so if I just come over here to my product funnels, so you can see I've got a bunch of product funnels here. Most of them are in draft mode. And if I go to new product funnel, I can change the currency. The key factor for me is that I can now use Canadian dollars because I am Canadian, and I like to be able to charge in Canadian for services and products. So I'm really happy about this. I've been waiting on this update. It got delayed. I think it was supposed to come out maybe 4 or 5 days ago, and it got delayed. So I was kind of annoyed by that and a little bit concerned that it was going to be late again. But here it is. Now you can create funnels that are in different currencies. And I don't think that there's a way to change an existing funnel. If I go to here. Yeah, no, there's no way to change it from inside. And I don't think, if I go back to product funnels, and I click on edit funnel. So it looks like you can't change a funnel's currency once it already exists. You need to select the currency that you want to use up front, and then that'll be set permanently, I guess. It'd be great if they do add the ability to change it at some point. But, you know, for now, this is just awesome to be able to charge in all these different currencies. And of course, you know, you've got so much power in GrooveSell over here. You can add, so sales tax is not in yet, but you've got your tracking links, your coupons, your partner contracts, just all kinds of great stuff. So that's, for me, the Canadian currency was the big thing that I've been waiting for in order to start using GrooveSell more. So I'm really looking forward to this because it's just it's gonna be really nice to be able to set up some of my services as kind of productized services and sell them through GrooveSell. And it's going to be really nice to be able to set up some product funnels as well and start selling some products. So leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite recent update to GrooveFunnels is. Are you excited about this one, or are you excited about something else? Let me know what you're thinking about GrooveFunnels, and I'll be sure to write back. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.